puppy training for kids.
So you can learn to train your puppy, right? Like you, yeah. And then,
Guess what, Santa got you? Your own puppy.
Isn't that awesome? Santa brought you a puppy.
Yeah.
Hey.
Wait, did we check the tree in your room yet?
go.
Let's go see what's under your tree.
Nothing.
Let's go.
Wait,
What's on the door?
Like a present?
Wait, check this in the door.
What's it say?
Open last 2 items from Santa. And
You want to open it up and see what's in there?
a dog! A real dog! A real dog!
He got his puppy. Look at
No way!
Lennon
Oh,
got a puppy.
he's so cute! He's so cute! Oh, he's so cute!
Do you wanna get him out?
I want to keep him!
You wanna get him out and look at him?
I want to keep him!
Come get
Are we
him.
gonna
Come get
keep
him! Go get him!
Are we gonna keep him?
Yeah!
Yes.
Oh, you're so cute!
Here he comes.
Look at there's your baby, Lennon.
I got my. Guess what? When I opened this door, I saw this real dog.
Oh, he loves it. You're letting get a picture. He's about ready to
I
cry.
love it!
Do you love him?
Yes, I love it.
Give him a hug! Give him a kisses! He's yours!
He's yours. Santa brought him to you.
Santa brought.
He put it in my closet.
Yes.
Well, he didn't even know it was in
He
there.
loves me.
Yes.
Yeah, he loves you.
He's looking at me. He loves me.
Yeah, he loves you. Look at his tail.
What kind do you think he is?
German Shepherd.
Yeah.
Like you
Look, he's got a little
wanted.
Christmas wrapper.
Yeah.
Because it's a present.
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you give him a kisses on the head?
Aww.
He's so cute. Oh,
Do you love him?
yes, I love him.
Oh, he loves you too. Look how excited he is to see you.
He's calm too, isn't he?
He's been waiting for you since Santa brought him.
He's huge.
Do you want to keep him forever?
Yes! He looks so cute. I want to keep him forever.
You can.
He has some toys in his crate. Do you want to get him out?
Sure.